Do you need more revenue coming into your cleaning business? If you need more new clients and more repeat clients coming back, I can help. I'm John Braun. I wrote the best-selling book on Amazon, Killer Advertising for Cleaning Businesses. I owned a cleaning business for 22 years, and for the last 12 years, I've been helping cleaners all over the world market their cleaning business. Now, just to let you know, somebody will mention in the comments, these are fake $1 million bills. Yes, it's just what I had laying around the office, decided to use it as a prop. Now, I actually use these and teach you guys on how to use these to be able to market to high-end commercial accounts. We put these in letters and catch attention. So I thought I'd throw these in here. Now, just letting you know, through the years, I've realized there are two reasons why some cleaning businesses aren't making the same money that top cleaning businesses are making. And number one, that reason usually is that they're not marketing their services well. And if they're not, that's also one of the biggest reasons companies go out of business, cleaning businesses included, but other businesses, if you're not marketing your services well, that's a really big number one reason why most companies go out of business. Now, number two is you're not charging enough money. Now, the funny thing and even kind of sad thing about both of those two reasons are that they kind of work hand in hand. If you're not charging enough money, you can't afford to market your services well. If you're not marketing your services well, you can't afford to charge enough money. So they kind of work hand in hand. You really need to concentrate on both, marketing your services well and charging enough. And I want to help you do that with a free marketing plan that I'm going to give you right now. All you have to do is go below this video and fill out the form with your name and email, and I'll send you my free marketing plan. Now, within that plan, I also want to give you a marketing calendar. Now, this calendar is something that'll give you ideas to market to new clients and past clients based on the season throughout the entire year. This is part of that marketing plan. Download it, you can print it out, and within that plan, you can also get ideas for doing Facebook ads, email newsletters, neighborhood postcards, Google ads, all sorts of advertising for cleaning businesses. It's the same plan that I used in my cleaning business. It's the same plan that I've given to my clients that some of them have multi-million-dollar cleaning business. So you get to see a behind-the-scenes look on what it's like to market and plan a successful cleaning business. Go below this video, click that link, and get the plan right now, absolutely free. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Maybe you've tried marketing before and it failed for you. Maybe you've even fallen victim to some of the scam artists that have called. They used to call my business when I first got started, even really before the internet was huge. They were around back then scamming people into offline marketing. And maybe you fell victim to the $100 a month will rank you on the top of Google's with no problem guaranteed, right? I don't know what's happened and what you've done in your own cleaning business, but first and foremost, don't fall for anybody calling you out of the clear blue and selling you anything. No matter what it is, don't buy it. Secondarily, obviously if it sounds too good to be true, it really is. So you might have already realized that after you fell for that type of a scam. But also, maybe I get guys ask me all the time, maybe, do Google ads work? Do Facebook ads work? Do neighborhood every door direct mail postcards, do they work? And the answer is no, but it's also yes. It really is. It all depends. It depends on how you use it and how you put it into your own marketing plan. So that's why I want to give you this plan. So again, you can see how that entire plan works for a successful business, to advertise and market that successful business. So go below right now, fill out the form, and you'll get the PDF automatically with this actual calendar. You'll get that emailed over to you. Now, I actually sold my cleaning business of 22 years a couple of years ago, and all I do now is consulting for cleaning companies. I do one-on-one consulting. I also do a group coaching program called my Ad Coaching Club, where I do membership webinars and training modules, right? We just finished one on Google Local. We've done some on Google AdWords. We've done some on Every Door Direct Mail, lots of different topics, but I've got that available as well. If you're interested in any of that, let me know. But in the meantime, first, definitely go below, click the link, fill out that form, get that free marketing plan, no obligation whatsoever, and download it. You'll really learn a few things about marketing and get some ideas to market your cleaning business. And if I can help you with anything ever, let me know. That's what I'm here for. Thanks. This is John Braun with Hitman Advertising, and I hope to talk to you really soon.